All right, guys, show you what we did here. We got a 2-track road, runs all the way up in here in this big holler. We got all this big bottom and these old reclaims, and of course you can see the slate. There's another road. There's another road up top, and it runs down into this road, which creates. You got travel way, travel way, travel way, travel way, and then you got a trail coming over here, which is about 5 different paths. What we did 2 days ago, I came in and punched they were basically, it was micro dirt holes in a walkthrough. I just punched 3 little holes, gave him something to kind of guide him and use some of the stuff that was here. And this is a bad coyote. This is one that, I mean, this is a big bad coyote. This is why they get their names, they do. A lot of them are, you know, not so aggressive. This one right here will flat wear me out. Anyway, what I was trying to show you guys, anytime you see all these travel ways, you get travel paths everywhere, and those dogs will use them. There was not a single coyote track in any of this the day I made this set. We had some small cat tracks. But I know based on the location and all these travel ways that these dogs are going to run these. I mean, they can run all over the place using these travel ways. So if you guys are just getting started or you're missing coyotes, don't set just on sign. I know it's good, and if there's sign you need to set. Find places like this. Once you set in, leave it alone, see what happens. Anyway, I hope this will help some of you new guys out, or maybe some of you guys have been trapping a while. Maybe it'll help you out too. Anyway, catch you somewhere else down the line.